Whenever someone imagines about having intestinal worms in the body, it looks scary and weird thing. Having parasites in the body is a natural thing and many of us aren't aware of it. These microorganisms survive off other components. Some of them live on the food you eat, many of them survive on the red blood cells of your body. Some parasites lay eggs in the body and enhance their counts, and it can make you sick and weak. Some of the commonly known parasites are pinworm, tapeworm, hookworm, lamblia, trichinella, lice, roundworms, and bedbugs. Parasites have different types and some of them are normal but some of them are toxic and harmful. Fortunately, parasites are curable once diagnosed properly. Symptoms of intestinal worms. In this video, we will discuss the warning signs, the treatment ways, and other helpful information about parasites, intestinal worms, so let's have a look at that. 1. Digestive troubles. If you are contracting parasites, it can ruin your digestive health and be harmful to the intestine lining. In many cases, people feel diarrhea, gas, constipation, bloating, acidity, and difficulty digestion. You may feel burning and inflammation in the abdomen, and if you feel these symptoms, you must consult an expert. Add more fiber to the diet and drink plenty of water. 2. Abdominal discomfort and pain. The other sign of having parasites in the body is abdomen pain. The parasites can stay for a long time in the small intestine and cause pain, inflammation, and discomfort. Mostly, roundworm, tapeworm, and fluke are the parasites responsible for abdomen pain. If you are feeling pain in the abdomen for a long time without any other cause, you must contact your doctor before the condition gets worse. 3. Anal itching. Anal itching can be an early indicator of abdominal parasites. It often occurs at night, and scratching can lead to egg laying by female parasites and secondary infections. Pinworms are a common cause and can multiply quickly if left untreated. Avoiding sweet foods, especially in children, is important. If you feel a sensation of crawling in the anal area, it's essential not to ignore it. 4. Weakness. If you are feeling excess tiredness and weakness even if you are eating well and taking proper rest, the parasites are responsible for that. Parasites survive on the food and red blood cells, and that makes you weak. In addition, metabolic waste products make the organs work harder and longer, making you feel fatigued. 5. Weight loss. If you feel sudden changes in your diet, mostly you may feel more hunger, and still, you are losing weight, it may be a symptom of the parasite in the body. 6. Anemia. Many studies done on children announce that though parasites like pinworm and roundworm attack the good vitamins in food we eat and eat red blood cells that cause iron deficiency or anemia. 7. Joint pain. In very rare cases, it has been noticed that parasites can stay in a group in the joints and muscles and cause joint pain and inflammation that can sometimes recognize arthritis. Medication. The doctor will prescribe drugs and needed medicines to treat intestinal worms. The treatment can last for a week or 2 weeks, and you have to follow all the steps prescribed by the doctor. Conventional method. There are some alternative and convenient ways available that can treat intestinal worms. Once the doctor has to find out what kind of parasites is infesting you, then you can go for the treatment.